Hello everyone. Yaxshimisiz ko'pchilik, kinoda ingliz signali yurish darsimizga xush kelibsiz. Bu bizning 12-sinf darsimiz. Bu sinf darsida biz The Sound of Music degan kinodan ingliz o'rganamiz. The Sound of Music degan Avstraliyaning kinosi deyman. The Sound degan ovoz bo'ldi. Of Music degan qanday? Muzikaning ovozi yoki muzikaning sadosi deb tarjima qilsak bo'ldi. Unda esa qani bugungi tunji so'zga ekran qaraylik. Yamranala.
So let them bring on all their problems.
Bugungi tunji so'z bring on. Bu bring degan kelmek degan gap. Lekin bu ikkisi on bilan bir gap, bring bilan on ikkisi bir gap. Ma'lum yomon narsa kelmek deb. Birga ma'lum bir yomon narsa kelmek. Ma'lum bir yomon ishni kelmek, masalan, masala nomussizlik, arnomus degandek bir narsa ekiladi degandek. Yana birga ma'lum bir yomon sababidan bo'lgan. Buni men misol tuzbasam, don't bring trouble on the family. Bring trouble on the family. Don't bring trouble on the family. Trouble degan avorchilik shunami? Uydagilarga nima epkenma? Avorchilik ekanma. Don't bring shame on the family. Don't bring shame on the family. Uydagilarga qanday arnomus ekanma dedi. Biroq yomon bir ishni qanday ekilish oldu bring degan. Masalan, he brought shame on the family. He brought shame or he brought trouble on us degandekchi. Don't o'g'an kimga ekelma deb tarjima qilamiz. Endi yana bir misol tuzbasam, yana bir ma'nosiga. I don't know what has brought the sun. I don't know what has brought the sun. We were friends. I don't know what has brought the sun. We were friends. I don't know degan gap, men bilmayman degan gap. What has brought the sun? Bu ne qanday bir yomon sababliligini bilmayman. Miyatki bring onning yana bir ma'nosi qanday? Ma'lum bir ishning sababi, cho'qim yomon ishning sababi bo'ldi bu. Unda esa keyingi so'zga ekran qaraylik.
Fräulein, you will stay here, please.
I think I'd better go see what Max is up to.
Yamranala.
I think I'd better go see what Max is up to.
Up to. Bu up to'ning nurg'un ma'nosi bor. Biz asosli ikki ma'nosiga yo'nalamiz. Birinchi ma'nosi g'a bog'liq. It's up to you. It's up to you. Sana bog'liq degan gap. The decision is up to you. Bu qaror sana bog'liq. Yana bir ma'nosi shu. Ma'lum bir ish qilmoq. What are you up to dedi. Nima ish qilyapsan deganicha? What are you up to? Odatda bir yomon ish qilayotgan bo'lsa, siz bunda yomon nima ish qilyapman yoki nima ish qilyapsan degandek ish qilasiz. What are you up to? deb so'raymiz. Masalan, it's up to the manager to make the final decision. It's up to the manager to make the final decision. It's up to the manager degan gap, manager boshqaruvchiga bog'liq dedi. To make the final decision. Oxirgi qaror, final oxirgi. Oxir qarorni chiqarish, make decision degan qana qaror chiqarish. Oxir qarorni chiqarish boshqaruvchiga bog'liq. It's up to the manager to make the final decision. Yana bir jumla tuzbasam, when it's so quiet. Bir jimjit bo'lib ketgan chog'da. When it's so quiet. I think the kids are up to something. I think, menimcha, the kids are up to something. Balla cho'qim bir ish qilyotdi, bak jim kelsa, cho'qim balla bir ish qilyotdi deb o'ylayman degan gap. Unda esa eng oxirgi so'zga ekran qaraylik.
Tell you about him if you'd let her get close to you. She notices everything. And Kurt pretends he's tough not to show how hurt he is when you brush him aside.
That'll do.
The way you do all of them. Louisa, I don't
I
know
said
about you,
that
but
will do.
someone has to find out
Yamranala.
he is when you brush him aside.
That'll do.
The way you do all of them. Louisa, I don't
I
know
said
about you,
that
but
will do.
That will do. That will do. Buna ko'p uchraydigan bir ig'izli jumlasi. Bo'ldi, yetarlik bo'ldi, endi bo'ladi degan gap. Yetarlik bo'ldi, endi ma'lum bir ish qanda yetib oshidi, endi bo'ldi degani that will do dedi. Masalan, do you want more lag'man? Azroq lag'man yemsa degan nima deymiz? Deb qolsa, no, that'll do. Ya bo'ldi degancha, no, that'll do. Thanks. Rahmat. Ya ko'ms nimsak bo'ldi? No, I'm good. I'm good. Mishat I am good men yaxshi degan ma'no chiqmaydi. Bo'ldi, yetarli bo'ldi deb ma'no chiqadi. No, I'm good. Do you want more lagman? No, that'll do. Thanks. Yani bir cümle desem, that'll do. Stop talking. Bo'ldi, yetarlik bo'ldi, endi gap qilma. An gap qilaverasizchu, that'll do. Bo'ldi, yetarlik bo'ldi. Endi bo'la, mana stop talking. Bo'ldi, gap qilma. Degandek. Undasa bugungi o'rgangan so'zlarni bir yig'inchoqlab bersam, bring on up to that will do. Bring on up to that will do. Bring on deganim degan gapda ma'lum bir ish sababidan yuz bermak. Ma'lum bir sababdan, ya'ni yomon bir ishdan yoki ma'lum bir yomon ishni ekanmak. Up to degan birinchi ma'nosi g'a bog'liq. It's up to you. Yana bir ma'nosi-chi nima ish qilyapsa degandek. That will do degancha yetarlik, endi bo'ldi demak ma'no bo'ldi. Bugungi so'zlar mushagicha tushunmagan nuqta bo'lsa savol qoldirsangiz bo'ldi. Rahmat.